So this comes to the next part of our lecture, which is about the data matrix, okay? And probably you've gotten from the examples a pretty good idea of that, right? So we're going to take all of these credit applications, okay, or all of these examples of trees as images, or all of these user recommendation problems. Did the person like the movie or not? Or can I predict it? Okay, and we're going to make these instances of a problem, right? The problem of recognizing trees, recommending a movie, or what was the first one? Approving a credit card application, a loan application, okay? So what we're going to do is stack all of these on top of each other, right? It's going to look a little bit like this. Now I do need the annotation. Okay, so I'm going to have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. Okay, and these are all examples of a particular instance. So we're going to make it a small x. Okay, let me rewrite that. Okay, I should try to use my pen and see whether that actually works. Okay, so yeah, that actually does work. We'll jump to camera a little bit. Okay, so these are small x's. Okay, each of these instances, and they're paired with a y value. Okay, so this is the actual y value that we're trying to get. Y, 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 y. Okay, and then we can take this entire matrix. Okay, this one here with all the things, we can call that. Okay, this is supposed to be an equal sign and x, okay? So a whole matrix, of course, then it has to be a capital letter. And this column vector over here is our y. So we can write it with a column a vector like that, okay? So they're paired, obviously, right? So this x0 corresponds to this y0. So that's like the first credit application, if you will. Okay, so we've got some notation for you that may be a little bit different from others, okay? Other courses that you see. Okay, let's see, wait, can I get back to, yeah, okay, which is right here. Let me blow that up for you. Can I figure out how to blow that up? Nope. Okay. Okay, which is that we have a number of features. This is the length of the row vector. Okay, we're going to say we have n features, so from 0 to n, or from 1 to n, okay? And the number of samples, which is also going to be from 1 to m, okay? And so our matrix is going to be of size mn, okay? And then we can denote the ith feature of a particular input one. So if I say the third feature in this row vector, then I would put I3, okay? Or I can annotate some particular instance, okay? Like your father's credit application is X parentheses in the superscript 512, okay? So then that would denote which instance is in your vector, is in the large matrix. Okay, so that's the notation that we're going to use for this course. Okay, it's also in the notation sheet, in the PDF sheet that you have in the materials folder in Coursemology.